we can't open up the back hatch because it won't open.
Oh, the base broke it?
Yeah.
I understand. That happens a lot.
The base broke almost.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Is this yours?
It's me and my fiance's.
Oh, okay. Wow.
I gotta trying to outdo him down there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you know what all's in here?
Yeah.
Could you tell me for a video?
I think that's a 4500 or 45 amp C-Max.
Yep.
Lithium. We have a 45 watt RMS SCAR RP. And then we got 4 of the DDX 15s.
DDX, okay. Awesome. Can I see the box? Is there a port?
Yeah, but it's at the bottom, but we can't open up the back hatch because it won't open.
Oh, the base broke it?
Yeah.
I understand. That happens a lot.
The base broke almost everything in this bad
Yes, ma'am.
boy.
I understand. Okay. How low does it, can I open the side to look in? How low does the box play? Like, do you know the tuning of it or anything like that?
We just built this one, actually. This is the brand new box.
Oh, okay.
So we ain't even had it. We were just playing with it this go round.
Got it.
140, I think a 149.
Nice.
3.3.
Okay. Yep.
So
Okay.
yeah.
Nice. Is he around somewhere?
Yeah. He's probably over there with one of our friends, Dusty.
Okay.
Yeah, he's around here somewhere.
Okay. Can I get another subwoofer flex demo if y'all can play something that you know that moves good subs?
Oh, you're fine. Let's see here. Come on. We're being slow today.
you showing me that. That was 28 hertz?
Yeah, 28 hertz.
Wow, that's really good for a low frequency. It peaks low then.
Yeah,
Awesome.
this is our baby.
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Not putting money in this bad boy.
So what is y'all's names for the ownership of the vehicle?
John Hall.
John Hall? Okay. Awesome. Nice to meet y'all.
Nice to meet you.
All right, well, you have a good day. Thanks for showing me.
You're welcome.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.